Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And these next few slot videos are actually going to be coming from Blackhawk, Colorado, where we were playing at Ameristar Casino.
If you like our videos, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
See you in there. Alright, we are at a $5 Red Hot Sevens respin. I'll get that respin in the middle. 3 credits. I'll get these up here. Something here, baby. We haven't even, I was gonna say we haven't even seen these multipliers yet. There we go. Yeah. It's a $1,000 hit. Great thing is that's just under, it's actually just under a hand pay, which means we would have had to pay Colorado state taxes. And a respin? Oh my god. Okay, we're paying chances today. 7 hour multiplier. Oh my gosh. Just under hand pay. Nice. Oh man. Alright, let's play down to 1,000. Come on, respin. That's a quick $700 win at Red Hot Sevens respin. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do some Red Hot 7 respin. We're gonna get a respin in the middle and some multipliers. Get that 3 bar. There we go. $620, baby. Yeah, 620. Let's do a little bit more. Gotta get those respins in the middle. Play down to 600. Come on, respin. Oh, that doesn't pay. Alright. 3 more spins. Respin me. Come on now. 901. Alright, well, it's still pretty good. Made $400. we're doing some crazy bets here. Double gold. $50 in credit. No. Alright, last bet. Alright, we just put in $65 in free play. Lightning link. Gonna do 250 bets. This is Dragon's Riches. Ooh, those are big. Sure it'd be nice to see. How you doing over there? Ooh, there we go. Seems good. 875 hit. Let's get those links. 250. Come on now. Must be wild. Nice job. Get that bonus, baby. Stepping up to 5. Would have been nice. You're getting 6 of those. I think 3 of the dragons gets us free games. Oh, come on now. Back down 250. Come on. There we go. 2 more. Oh, 1 away. Those were decent too. Yeah, there we go. Got it. Come on, baby. Let's add some big ones. There we go. Yeah. Resets our free spins when we get more. Come on, let's see a major. Basically anything is good because then it'll reset our free spins. There we go. Let's get 4 more. Fill that frickin' thing. Oh, last one. Ooh. bucks.
Right.
How'd you end up doing? Jane.
Yeah, I'll take it.
How much did you put in?
I put in 50, but I just played on the 20
The free play?
free play.
Yeah. Nice. I might just do down to 60. There's no music though, so it's kind of a bummer.
It is a bummer.
Well, I got 3 of those dragon coins. Alright. Cash now.
Oh, let's go with the lock and feature.
Alright, we are on Wheel of Fortune Triple Hot Ice. $1 credit, 5 lines. Get it going.
Go. You go.
Ooh. There we go.
Oh.
Alright, put 2 singles in there. All this work. Alright. I think it's probably you. Damn it.
It's time to press that button
Alright,
and spin the
$26
wheel.
later.
Your wheel spin has started. Look up.
No way. Oh my god. That's a kick in the nuts. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our videos.
If you're enjoying them, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
That works.